All right, guys, what's going on? Rico Capital, and I want to show you our banger trade on Friday, 5/23, May 23rd. Banger trade using the zones, and I mean, absolutely killed it on Lotto Friday. So listen to this, guys. I gave you all the recap here on how we used the zones, how we bounced at our 452 hourly demand. Buyers showed up. So here's the continuation. So overnight, obviously, we saw a movement there. Buyers continue to step in. We opened up near our 455, 454, just levels of resistance. These are levels already given and previous levels that are continuously working. So we knew I wanted to see if we can get above 455 first, and then see how sellers reacted here in our 456 hourly supply. I turned it green. It was red before, so I wanted to see if we can get above this, and that's where we would take calls. So once we get above a supply, we knew sellers get cleared out and buyers step in. So on the 15, it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like right there as we jumped into it, sellers got executed there. But right here is where we took that trade. And I know we're on the 15 minutes, so get on the 5 just to kind of show y'all in a little bit more depth and how and why I took this trade. So as we actually held this yellow trend line I had and we got over our 455, I saw a bunch of wicks here on the 5, sure, but we did jump into our 456 here, and I love that, right? So I love how we got into it, and I'm now we're near our trigger, and we're near our my game plan that I gave out last night to the zone users and my members, and we are now here to see if can the buyers do it. So we get above. Now the 5 minute did open up first here, and we did end up seeing a dip back into it. Now I like that, but once we you could have easily kind of just drawn a little on the 5, something like this. Once we broke it on that green candle right there, that's where I decided to take it. So on the 15 is usually my entry, and that's because once we get a body candle open above it like this on a higher time frame, you can see that we end up completely rocketing right there. I like the chances. We opened up inside of it on the 15, but I like the chances just because I like the pattern there. So I ended up taking it, and those calls ended up rocketing. I mean, from right here, I think we entered in the $60 range, ended up running to like 170. So, I mean, over 100% move just right here. 5, 10, 15, 20, to about 30-minute move right here. And that was it for us. That was it for the day for us. We caught something simple on SPY, but we went 2 for 2. This was our banger trade, and that was it. We knew it was Friday. I tell the team, let's make our money quick and be done. Obviously, look at this chop going in. Sure, you could have shorted once we got to our first target right there at 459. We were all out on those lottos. We had a little bit of room to go to our next target, but I mean, I wanted to be all out, be done with the trade, capitalize on the delta squeeze right there on those contracts. And yeah, right here, I mean, they came right back to what the price was right here. So that was just kind of the lottos right there. You could have taken a put trade here on the rejection and followed it back down, thinking we would retest down here, which we ended up holding our 457 line. And these orange lines are just pretty much pre-market levels I have marked. So just normal supply and resistant levels, orange and blue. But right here, I mean, this is the trade we're looking for. The fourth above 456.81 got above our supply and we ripped. And I gave the plans out, for the 523 to you after creating that decently hourly. We dropped in the 456 demand where we failed and then found support at the 452. And that's exactly what we did. We found at the 452 right here. So yeah, I pretty much said right there above 456.81. I want the 459 528, and that's next week. You could have done lotto. Like I went lotto because I like it's Lotto Friday. We like to get risky. Usually I just go a day out, 1 day expiration. So right there was the plans above 456.81, and we slammed those calls. Your call choice. I took the lottos. Here's the 456.81. We took it above there. Say you took it right here, and it just kind of bounced around, retested right here. Would not have stopped you out because we have not lost the zone here. We got above it. boom, ripped. So I mean, you could have gotten a little early, just waited a little bit longer, or you could have got in with me and completely ripped there. So that's a highlight of the zones working perfectly and how we took the trade on Friday. So if you're looking for these zones, if you're looking for these game plans, join today. You can go to Rico Capital, my main Twitter. From there, you'll see the RicoCap trading service. Give it a click there. You give it a click, it'll take you right to it. Get those zones, $10 a week, guys. It gives you access straight to the channel right here. So where you get the game plans, you're ready every night. I just posted these for the next day already. And I mean, come on, easy as that. $10 a week. That's all you need right there. Other services, check those out if you need them. But that was our trade for Friday, and we killed it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully you can gain a little bit more insight on how these zones work, and I'm gonna keep pumping out videos for you guys. So I appreciate y'all watching, and of course, Rigo Capital. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on all social media, TikTok, all of course YouTube, all there. So appreciate y'all checking this out, and y'all have a great rest of your evening. Let's kill it in the market.